Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll show you how to read deleted WhatsApp messages. We'll show you two methods. By adopting these two methods, you can also see your WhatsApp deleted messages. Right now you can see the messages are deleted by the sender. You have to minimize this one. Go to your phone settings and then you have to click on notifications. Click on advanced settings. Click on notification history. And then here you will find the deleted WhatsApp messages. Scroll down. Here you will find WhatsApp. You have to click on it. Scroll down and then here you will find all the deleted messages. And you can read out those deleted messages very easily. So this is the method 1. In second method you have to go to Play Store. Here you have to type and then here you will see this application. You have to download and install this application. This application will allows you to see all the deleted WhatsApp messages, status also, even all the deleted WhatsApp voice messages also. After installation you have to open the app and then you have to click on accept. Now you have to select WhatsApp, click on next, again click on next. Now you have to allow these two permissions. Click on allow the second permission, enable this application, go back. Now this application is ready for use. So this application will show you all the deleted WhatsApp messages, WhatsApp status. So in the same way you can also read deleted WhatsApp messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.